Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 10 of the Cougar Connection. Actually, for this week, we do not have a student spotlight, but I promise we will bring that back next week. I'm just taking a look at some of the great things that happened at SMS prior to fall break. We do want to thank the community. We had several students, actually the majority of them, in town this week before we released for fall break doing a scavenger hunt, and I think students really enjoyed that. Also, a shout out and thank you to those who organized Tractor Parade. It was very successful, and our students did also enjoy that. We also had a visit from our mayor the week before fall break, and students participated in Bring Anything But a Backpack Day. So, a lot of great things happening at SMS. One thing, parents, that I do want to draw your attention to is the winter formal has been scheduled. It is going to be Saturday, December the 10th. It will begin at 6 o'clock. It will end at 8. Usually we call this a semi-formal occasion or a dance here at SMS. But if you would like more details, you can reach out to me through Remind. It is sponsored by the Junior Beta Club, and they will take care of all of the decorations and the planning and preparation for that dance. For this week, we do have several activities on the calendar. Students, we will be doing etiquette meals. If you don't know what that is, you'll learn a little bit more about that this week. But parents, basically, this is a chance to teach students how to use proper table etiquette with all of the fancy plates, forks, knives, all of the things that they might encounter as part of the real world. So also on Monday, teachers, all grades do need to be posted by noon. Parents, we hope to have those out to you this week for the first 9 weeks. There is a board meeting on Tuesday, and also teachers, there is a scheduled vertical team meeting on the district calendar. Wednesday, we want to wish a happy birthday to Linda McKee. And also our JAG students are going to be participating in a service project at the nursing home. Teachers, Hinton Agency will actually be in the conference room for your elective benefits sign-ups. Thursday, we will have MSU students in the building for observations. We also will have the National Earthquake Drill. It will be at 10:20. PLCs will be in the conference room, and football will be at home versus West Carter. I know the girls also, I believe, ended their season maybe last week. So congratulations to our Lady Cougars, for all of your accomplishments in this season. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday, as always, and it is the Ewing Fall Festival, I believe, this Friday coming up. For our Achieve 3000 leaderboard for the week before fall break, we want to congratulate Jeremy Dole on Monday, Tyler Willoughby Tuesday, Rayburn Meeks Wednesday, Liliana Hardiman on Thursday, and Colby Nicholson on Friday. Our weekly top scorer last week was Jeremy Doyle, and our 2 students, or actually our 3 rather, with the most activities at 75% or above on, or for 7th grade rather, would be Kenton Jolly with 3 activities, and Brianna Cooley and Caitlin Pallett were tied with 4 activities. Our Alex leaderboard, we have had some movement here. We do want to shout out and congratulate Cody Stevenson. Looks like he has reached 100% for his 8th grade math on the Blue Barracudas. But shout out to these students: Asia Flinders, Brady Kramer, Nick Lane, Paxton Jones, Scott Gray, Trevor Blankenship, Luke Thompson, Tyson Wells, Hunter Ham, Zippy Pilot, Cody Stevenson, Bobby Applegate, Kaylee Rogers, and Carson Parker for being on our Alex leaderboard. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Looking forward to welcoming our Cougars back for our second 9 weeks. Way to bring it, Cougars.